In this video, we're going to explore how you can use the border bottom color property to assign a different color at the very bottom. Right now we have this design here, but maybe we don't want this. So we're going to comment out of all of these. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to give the border style, border bottom style. We're going to assign a specific color, or let's make this solid. And then we say also border bottom width. Oh, sorry, border bottom width. And then we say here 10 pixels. And what we want to do now is just to refresh here. We only have one border here. There's a black line, and we want to adjust this. So we say here border bottom color, where we use our property here, and then we say here the following color. Let's say this one we want to have here our variable, and in this variable we have a dash dash color number 1. And if we save this here, refresh, you can see now it will extract the color, it grabs the color, make the border bottom with the color that we assign, as you can see in here as well. And this is how we can control the border color, the bottom. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.